In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom emoji in Slack. If you've ever wanted to personalize your workspace with your own reactions, this is quick and easy. Make sure you're signed in to your Slack workspace and that your admin allows members to add custom emoji. First, open your web browser and go to your favorite search engine. Type Slack into the search bar, then click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. If you already have Slack open in the desktop app or web, you can stay there. No problem. Once you're inside a channel or direct message, look down at the bottom of the screen for the message box where you normally type. On the right side of that box, you'll see the emoji icon. Click it to open the emoji picker. Inside the emoji picker, look for the option that says Add Emoji and click it. You'll see a window prompting you to upload an image. Choose Upload Image, then browse your files and select the picture you want to turn into an emoji. For best results, use a small square image. PNGs with a transparent background look great, and keeping the file size modest helps it load quickly. If Slack offers a crop tool, make sure the important part of your image fits nicely inside the square. You'll see a preview of how it will look at emoji size, so check edges and legibility. If the image includes text, keep it bold and minimal so it remains readable when shrunk. After the image is uploaded, you'll be asked to give your emoji a name. Enter something short and clear, like emo. Names must be lowercase and can't include spaces. Hyphens or underscores are fine. Remember, you'll use this name between colons when typing, like or emo. Click Save to finish. Slack will add your new emoji to the workspace. Now let's use it. Click the emoji icon again to reopen the picker. Scroll until you find the Custom section. Your newly added emoji will appear there. Click it to insert it into your message, or simply type the name between colons in the message field and send. You can also find it quickly by typing its name into the search bar at the top of the emoji picker. If you don't see the Add Emoji option, your workspace might restrict who can create emojis. In that case, ask an admin to enable access or add it for you. And if the image doesn't look right, try a simpler, square version with good contrast. That's it. Your custom emoji is ready to brighten up conversations in Slack.